Hi everyone, this is Kevin with Garrison Dental Solutions, and I want to show you the Garrison SlickBands Tofflemire-Style bands. These are coated non-stick Tofflemire-style bands. We developed this process for coating stainless steel to make it non-stick, and what that allows is for the bonding agents and the composites not to stick to the material. Makes removal much easier. We're best known for our sectional matrix systems, but let's face it, not every single restoration can be performed with a sectional matrix system. And there are different types of restorations like core buildups and deep margin elevation and things like that where the sectional matrix is just simply not called for. The gray ones at the top are regular, so they're a stiffer material. You can take those and force them down between teeth that have an existing contact. The green ones at the bottom are dead soft. With dead soft matrix bands, you want to make sure you have the contacts open or the band will deform quite severely during placement. Both of these are 15/10,000ths thick. The little blue guys on the side here, those are deep margin elevation bands. They are made out of a regular stainless steel, so firm to resist deformation. Some of the sizes are pretty standard that you see here. We have the #1 universal size Tofflemire. Of course, you're going to curl it around with the coated side, goes to the inside where the bonding agents and the composites are going to be contacting the metal. This is the right curve. Height-wise, it's similar to the #1 universal, but you can see with that exaggerated curve, what happens is when you curl that around, you have a much steeper angle on the little funnel shape that's created. This allows for better tightening of the matrix below the infrabulge of the tooth for a better seal, while allowing the upper portion to still reach over to the adjacent tooth for contact. This is going to be a #13 pedodontic. It's just a little shorter for short teeth and primary teeth. Then on the end is the #2 subgingival. It's got the extensions on it to allow it to go deeper around the tooth. All of these sizes are available either in a kit like this, which is pretty convenient, or you can get individual refill packs. The deep margin elevation band is really becoming increasingly popular for raising subgingival margins, either equigingival or millimeter supergingival, to allow for easier restorations or delivery of crowns, much better opportunity to scan or take impressions when you've built that margin up a little bit. And that tiny little narrow size allows the entire circumferential portion of the band to be below the infrabulge of the tooth. And as you tighten it, it slides down even deeper down into the sulcus. So these are the SlickBands Tofflemire-Style Matrices from Garrison Dental.